have you been? I mean, your life on the broadcast.
Well, I'm alright, but my pain is not good.
You work too much. You don't have enough time after that injury to come in and get adjusted and get proper rehabilitation. Okay, so make sure you tell the boss. I'm going to write you a note so your boss can let you go early so you can keep the consistent schedule. Okay? No? No?
I cannot go to work for like a week, at least 2 weeks.
No, what I'm saying, consistent schedule here, not at work.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Raise your head. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Okay. Go on your side, face me, please. Keep this leg straight. Relax your shoulder. That was good. Okay, sit up. Let's put this over here. This side. This neck is really tight over here. Awesome. Okay, now I need you to go on that side or sit up. Stand up for a second. Stand on your feet. Okay? Okay. Go on this side, face me. So, like this. Lay down over here. Keep this leg straight. Goes here. Give me your right hand. Okay. Relax. That was a good one. How does it feel?
Great.
Good. Hold on. Let me turn this off. Okay, right there. Stand up straight. Turn around. How does it feel?
Good.
Okay. Sit down and stand up. Okay. Better? Let's go get keys over here. Let's go in another room, please. I'm gonna adjust it. It's gonna make you famous. I'll snap my neck. Snap my fingers. Yeah. Snap. Come over here. Okay. Alright, sit down. So, how's your back and how's your neck?
My neck's kind of sore right now.
Sore? Okay,
Yeah.
what about the back?
My back is still kind of sore. I like to sit on my back.
Okay. Well, that injury is that you sustained in the car accident, that was some serious damage. So, I mean, you're gonna be here on a consistent basis, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Okay. Just check your low back. Right side is down. Okay. Bend forward, please. Back. Okay. Stand up. Face this way. Close your eyes and march in place. Okay, stop. Okay, go ahead and lie on your stomach, face down. Where's that thing? Okay. Lie on your stomach, face down. Take a deep breath in. Out. Breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Now, Go on inside, face me. Relax. Look towards the wall. Okay. Relax. Okay. Sit up. Put your feet down. Put things back in place. Okay. Now, go on this side. I'm gonna adjust your lumbar spine.
Alright.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Guns? Weed? No? Okay, this phone. Yeah, the phone is the one that can be easily broken. Okay. 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 Relax. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Up. There we go. Okay. Stand on your feet. How's it feel?
Feel better.
Okay, sit down and stand up. Okay. Is it better?
Yeah.
And then bend forward and sideways.
Yeah, I feel better.
Loose. Okay, good. Alright, so
No
I'll
more.
see you guys Friday. Are you
Yeah.
gonna make it? Okay, yeah? Okay.
I need a note too.
A note? What kind of note? $100 note?
Yeah, I said he needed a note.
You need a note.
You know.